Hi everyone, today we are going to be having an interview with 300 level automotive engineering students, and they are going to be sharing with you their experiences of what they did to get to this level as a 300 level automotive engineering student. So if you tell that love cars, anything movable, then this video is meant for you.
My name is Celestine Ugochukwu Obeta. I'm a 300 level automotive engineering. I chose automotive engineering because I have this strong passion about cars. I love driving. Anything that happens to my dad's vehicle, I'm always there to help out. I like the sound, the working principle, everything, the beauty. So it's just like my thing, something I can do even abstract my leisure time, even on my own leisure time. Sometimes I don't even do things at home just to focus on cars. I create toys. I do so many things about cars. So that's why I had to find and dig a university studying automotive engineering. That's why I'm studying automotive engineering at the university.
When I was much more younger, I had passion just to see things rotate. I just love when things are rotating and it gives me like joy. I always want to know how, like, why is something working on its own without like any man giving it like extra effort and all. So I remember like there's this clip my dad used to have a show and like it has rotors in it. So I remember taking it and breaking it so I remove the rotors and I'll cut into water and I'll try to like jam it together until just to get it rotating. Like all this kind of thing. So I actually find passion in like seeing things like rotate.
What aspect of automotive engineering do you really love most?
Oh no, the aspect I love most has to be the practicals. I mean,
Exactly.
Okay, love your practical aspect.
yeah, I don't really actually like writing the class and all that, like, all the bulky work and all. So, but when it comes to like practical aspect, actually practicalizing, it's a different thing to be in the car. The car is it's a different feeling to actually see what is like causing all those.
What is causing those rotations exactly?
Like, so, like all the practical aspects, I actually know like most inquisitive about like how does this work? Like, for example, now I thought of this. Why does the crankshaft have to like shaped this way, the timing and all, like, all this kind of things. So like, I love the practical aspects.
So basically, on my own side, the best part of automotive engineering I also enjoy is the practical aspect, as Ezra said. Basically, engineering is just all about practical aspects. All the rest of the theoretical aspect we learn is just to have a theoretical knowledge. The best part of engineering is practical aspect, and under the practical aspect, my best part is the manufacturing, production, and the rest. Because when you bring two components together to form a particular shape, when you now manufacture, like those things, like automotive, like engineering is all about practical aspects, and that is my best part.
In that practical aspect, you usually have a saying that electric cars now are becoming more evolutionary compared to anything like internal combustion engine. So what do you have to say about that?
Well, I'll say every there's the studies of motion says to every action is an opposite and equal reaction.
Exactly.
So as much as we have our cars and we're enjoying the ride and everything, to some extent we have some kind of for example the emissions now the body control can be damaging to human health and all, and things like vibration, harshness, like these are things that don't give comfort to the customer. The engine is vibrating, so like at times cannot be comfortable. The transmission is not smooth at all. Then with electrical cars, you have a lot of these problems. So you have the issue of emission. Like it's no longer there. You no longer have like emission. You have reduced vibration, harshness, noise.
Noise reduction.
So electrical cars are more friendly.
Eco-friendly.
Exactly.
More eco-friendly.
As you all know, the world is going digital now.
Yeah.
So I also advise students, upcoming students, to also know a bit part of computer or coding, because as I am, since the world is going digital, I went as far as learning how to code. You understand? Yeah. I can code. So since there are cars like Tesla, electrical cars, so we can also, not only as mechanical automotive students, we can also code and combine the both knowledge together. Because as we all know, there are old model cars and they have new model cars.
Yes.
Like the old model cars now, obviously we hear much of noise, vibration. When you pass a road bulb, you feel uncomfortable. But now, like modernized cars like Toyota Hilux, when you cross a bulb, you won't even notice that you crossed a bulb.
Yeah, suspension systems are
advanced suspension systems. Exactly.
In the system of coding you are talking about, which aspect of coding? Is it Python, HTML? Which specific one do you think that is one that is growing more and is improved?
For me, I think it is Python.
Okay, is it Python in processing or just Python?
Python in processing.
Okay, Python in processing. So that is what you recommend for upcoming students to go and study.
And actually, we are taught Python in 100 level.
Okay. So the advice for upcoming students, according to him, was that you should study Python in processing. So Python in processing is the best coding that you need to study before coming to university. So it will help increase your knowledge on how to code vehicles and other aspects. Going for internship.
We had my internship.
Okay, so what are your experiences in this internship?
I think the internship was actually one of my favorite moments of like being an automotive engineer because I had first-hand one-on-one encounters with these machines.
Okay.
So like I had a lot of activities like dismantling and recovering on the engine block, and then depending on transmission systems, like issues with transmission systems and it has
Where do you do that internship?
I did my internship at Fix It Automobiles Works in Jos.
Okay, Fix It Automobiles Works.
I've been to several workplaces on internship concerning automotive. Okay, let me start from the scratch. My dad actually, he was a car dealer. He sold automotive parts. So I think that was what gave me the inspiration. I think it's something from childhood.
That inspired you.
Exactly. So then I actually did my own at Abia State, Psycho Automobiles. So that was where I had experience, like one-on-one. I knew what prompted this, what actually caused this. Example, changing of brake pads, tires, suspension, engine block, alternators, so many things, radiators, and so many aspects. Both ABS, so many hidden things which I never knew
about vehicles.
But I can strongly tell you that I can do some things. Even as an undergraduate, I can strongly fix some parts of a car.
Okay, due to the impact on internship you went for.
Yeah, exactly.
So internship is very, very important.
It's very
essential. So internship is as if it's a practical aspect of studying automotive engineering. It's giving a broader aspect of real life matters and how to solve real life situations. So advice do you have for your upcoming undergraduates who are in secondary school and who are aspiring to study automotive engineering in university?
It's actually take physics very serious.
Okay, physics. So
that's a very important aspect.
You can't escape it.
You just have to take computer side.
So why did they take physics very serious? Like they decided to give them more energy. So okay, this is the reason why she took their physics very serious.
It's all about
real life matters.
Embodiment of science and real life matters. This is practical, to like the things we do like every day. You can apply physics like things we do every day. And if I automotive engineering, though we have other aspects like chemistry, combustion, and all, but like on a more basic note, it has to do more of like physics.
As my colleague has said it all, physics is about real life matters and our environment. But I also feel that they should also study physics more because it is about friction. And the relationship with cars and just like our tire now. Without friction, there is no way we can apply brake and then there will be no movement. So that's why we actually recommend physics, friction, and so many other things. Another aspect is mathematics. Not really, but at least have a bit knowledge of mathematics and computer. And then last but not the least, engineering drawing, technical drawing. Because I don't like engineering drawing, but I have no other choice than to learn it. And under engineering drawing, we have advanced softwares like Autodesk Inventors, which we use to produce geometrical parts of the car engines. So these are things you need to equip yourself with before saying that, I want to study automotive, because these are areas that will make it easier for you when you enter the university. Unlike us, we had the information here. So that's my advice for aspiring automotive engineering students.
So in that aspect of technical drawing or engineering drawing is a way of trying to give another person the information which you have. You like to communicate that information on a paperwork so that a layman can understand what you are talking about and how you want to produce such object. So as soon as someone to create an engine, you need to design the engine on the paperwork, have the specific plan, the measurement and all those stuff. So that is the real main reason of studying technical drawing. What subject do you really recommend, like for secondary school students, a list of subjects you should recommend for them?
Actually, when I was in secondary school,
Okay.
like I wasn't really that sure of the subject to do based on automotive engineering. But since I've been here for the past 3 years, I've been in this school now. I strongly recommend they should do technical drawing, physics, maths, and chemistry. These are because all these courses are under science and these are core science subjects which you cannot run away from. As far as you're going for engineering, furthermore it's also inclusive. But when I was in secondary school, I did not do it.
Some schools don't offer furthermore.
Some schools don't offer furthermore. Exactly.
So what's the good?
Go with the same thing.
Okay, go with the same thing. Go with the same idea. Okay. That's any need for them to study English very well too.
Oh, well, yes, of course.
Okay. So
currently we're taking a course called Engineering Communications.
Okay, Engineering Communications.
Exactly.
As an engineer, it's very important to know how to pass your ideas.
Okay.
Not just like
your vocabulary.
Besides the issue of like drawing.
Yes.
But also you have things like presentations.
Okay. Explaining ideas to a layman.
Yes.
Okay.
It's very important to know how to like explain your ideas verbally and in written form. It's very important to know how to write well and speak well.
Okay.
So English is very important also.
Okay. So, what about you?
My colleague has said it all. The essence of English is just to improve your vocabulary. That's all.
Okay.
That's all.
So you have to improve your vocabulary. So according to what they said, all of them said it all and their experiences. So what are your experiences in Elizade University in particular? Like Elizade, they are teaching patterns and everything about the school. So what's your experience in it?
As a whole, so far my experience in the university as a student has been it's been all good. I think the practical sessions, like I said, mostly I one that I do practicals in general. So I think so far we did justice to practical. We had automotive laboratory like last semester, and that was one of the course I enjoyed it the most basically. But so far, it's been all good lectures and everything. Lectures are turning more to their personal ability, and it's been a good experience so far.
Okay. What about you?
Well, one of my best parts of studying at Elizade University is the workshop.
Okay, the workshop is well equipped.
Well equipped.
Okay, it's well equipped.
Not also even the workshop. The workshop practices where we have in the workshop. There is this course we have workshop. The course.
Okay.
The workshop. So where we are taught how to use different machines like grinders to smoothing, to welding and so many other practices. Fabrication. Exactly. Thank you. So that is because that there and there you do some practical aspect to test your knowledge on what I can actually do.
Okay, actually doing the real life.
The real life is something there.
Exempting yourself from theory, but
from
the real
theoretical
life
aspect. Exactly. Okay, like for example, during our internship, we were able to produce two with metals and then fabricated and cleaned a wood surface like this, and which is what we are using in the laboratory now. So like I can be proud that if any day I wake up, I can be proud that I made this by myself as an engineering student. At least these are one of my productions as an upcoming
Exactly. Well, for me personally, I studied fabrication and I'm a fabricator before I came to this school. So that was a very, very good example and it was very helpful. It helped me very well. And one last question before I forget. What is your greatest fear as an automotive student?
So for my greatest fear as an automotive student is working on a design at the end of the day, not really able to get it working. Or like producing it. So I feel another thing is the industry is so friendly. Our country is not so friendly.
Exactly.
It's not so friendly. So like with the situation of finishing and you looking for
jobs,
but so far I think but that shouldn't be a problem because I think that shouldn't be a problem. Is that we have cars, we have a lot of cars in this country. Definitely there will be something doing.
What about you?
Well, I've not actually thought of my fears, but Thinking about it, I think one of my biggest fears in the automotive industry is just the job opportunities.
Okay.
Not after all the years, the experiences, and then there will be no practical
Knowledge.
exactly no practical knowledge
Okay.
or opportunity to like practicalize or produce what I've learned,
What you have studied.
what I've studied exactly. So
Okay.
that is one of my biggest fear. Apart from that, no problem, because my colleague talking about after doing a design not rolling, I think that is the way of succeeding, because when you
Yes.
produce something and it doesn't work, it gives
Yes.
you the urge, the eagerness to do
know,
more,
yes, to do more, to
know-
improve on
to
that.
know what
last one.
happened
Yes,
exactly.
to know what happened.
So-
Okay, that is it. So according to that is the truth. According to Henry Ford, he did a vehicle like up to 3 times and the vehicle didn't work, even car based. So if you did something and the thing doesn't work, doesn't mean that it's not good. It's trying to tell you that what you're doing is not right. It's not right, and you should find the right way to do it. So never
Exactly.
give up on your dreams.
Exactly.
So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. Stay tuned to our next video I'm going to be producing, and thank you.
You're welcome.
So thank you very much, Ezra, and thank you very much,
Thanks,
Mr.
sir.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys learned something from this video. Know that automotive engineer is not only all about building cars, it's all about communicating your ideas.